bikini heads turning when they see me, keeping it ocean breezy. Might wanna be me, come over here and see me strut in my new bikini. Yeah, 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 yeah.
So hey Blooms, welcome back again to this channel, and for today's reaction video, we are going to watch the Unang Kilig It's Showtime Performance Fancam. So, dito natin nakita yung unang full version ng dance choreo ng Unang Kilig. Ang daming nang. So, eto na nga, panoorin natin. Hindi natin palalagpasin dahil sobrang ganda ng performance nila sa It's Showtime. Parang gayang-gaya nila yung set sa music video nila. Kaya naman, I am so excited to watch this. Let's do this. Thank you so much, It's Showtime, for giving us a performance fancam. Siyempre, yung mga OT8 enthusiasts dyan, hindi mali-left out. Simulan na natin to. Let's go! I like their outfits. Grabe. Can you hear that? Live vocals. I like the stage. Right. Yeah. Grabe, Bloom, sa rinig na rinig sigaw nyo. Hey. Grabe si Mika Lim. Gustong gusto ko yung ayos ni Mika Lim dyan. Ganyan din ba kayo mag-fancam? Buong buo, OT8. Walang nalileft out. Ay! Grabe naman, Joanna. Ay! Gusto ko talaga yung part na yon. Jumika, my gosh. How? Right. Kuwang-kuha mo ko lagi, Mika Lim. Grabe si Maloy pag umataw. Grabe! Ang lupit ng spotlight ni Aya dyan. Woo! Tapos yung camera angle kay Colette. Ay! Grabe yun. That's our Colette. Woo! Gusto ko yun, kuya cameraman. I-focus mo kay Stacey. Oh! Nag-high note si Maloy. Belting ba tawag doon? That's so amazing. Ibang-iba yung tunog kapag fancams, di ba? Rinig na rinig mo yung vocals nila. Minsan kasi kapag live tapos tinatapalan ng backtrack. Iba pa rin kapag naririnig mo silang live. Syempre, after this, isabay na rin natin yung Why Beanie is returning to Market before flying out for Coachella. Isama na rin natin yung dito para hindi mabitin yung video na to. Ay, kala mo naman talaga. So, eto, I think after to ng it's showtime, right? Or before. Whatever. Pinagsama nyo na naman tong tatlong to. Sabi ko sa inyo eh. Grabe yung energy pag nagsama tong tatlo. Yes, yes. Put it there.
And this is the beautiful staff them of, and then this is Papa P, and then this is the Ate Maloy Solo,
At
Jericho Rosales, Sir Jericho Rosales, Angela Pangaliban,
may ma'am. Mami ni Sheena.
This is Joanna, and this is
What?
This is Bebe, this is Ate Jo.
Hindi talaga nawawala kay Stacy. Yung salitang Joanna eh.
Touch move yan.
Ay, touch move. May touch move. Okay, interview pala to.
Congratulations with unang kilig. Kinilig ba kayo nung lumabas na yung video finally?
Lahat kinilig.
Sheena.
Yes po, super kinilig kami kasi itong unang
Si
kilig
Joanna.
talaga, we really love it. And actually, January namin to shoot. Hindi kami makapaghintay na March pa siya ilalabas.
Oh.
Pero finally nalabas na and we're so glad na our blooms and the boom and the Filipinos love it.
Kanino
Right.
idea yung music video?
Totoo naman, she. We love it.
Yumi Us.
Yumi
yes.
Us. Ang galing nyo, Yumi Us.
Actually, collaborative project siya sa Team Beanie yan. Star Music, Yumi Us. So, pinag-combine lang nila yung ideas nila. And sobrang
Right.
witty lang. Kasi syempre, nung nag-shoot kami, hindi naman namin alam na gano'n na talaga yung kakalabasan niya. Pero nung napanood na namin yung buong MV,
Ganda, no?
oh, parang well thought of po.
Ay, kala mo kausap
Ba yun na
ako.
mag-acting na kayo?
Gusto namin yan.
Grabe naman yung reaction nyo, bigla kayo nakasigaw lahat.
Sa ngayon po, focus muna kami sa music po. Lalo na this year, dami pa pong naka-line up sa amin for our music career.
Okay, okay.
Pero how did you enjoy that little bit of acting? Colette, Stacy?
Ay, grabe. Parang sobrang kinabahan ako. Parang kaharap ko yung mga direktor. Ganyan yung na-feel ko. Parang nakakakaba pala mag-acting. Hindi siya madali kasi kailangan mong alalahanin yung mukha mo, yung lines mo, yung body language mo, lahat-lahat. Kaya saludo ako sa mga artista po.
Yes.
Ako naman, kasi po, after ng lunch namin, yun yung time na, yung scene na yun, mag-a-acting na. So, nakaidlip po ako, tapos ako po una mag-shoot, so hindi ko alam ano gagawin ko, pero I think it turned out well naman.
Oh yeah. Ang cute mo kaya dun, Colette.
Kasi po, sobrang mga iconic po yung nakasama namin sa shoot
Correct.
ng mga artists. Kaya, yun, medyo nahihiya, tapos nakaka-pressure pala yung gano'n.
Cute ni
Aya,
Granny.
how did you enjoy acting for unang kilig?
Ay, taray ng acting ni Aya dun.
Uy, wag.
Uy, wag!
Nakakakaba po siya. And at
Uy, wag.
first,
Ang cute.
nakakaiyak kasi yun nga po, we will be acting with other artists. So parang at first nakaka-cringe din ako sa sarili ko, pero nai-relax na po.
Mga lead actors na yun eh.
Yes.
And
Yes.
directors. I heard no when the song was launched, nag-number 1 agad sa iTunes.
Wow.
Well, reaction please sa Philippines. Mika.
Ang ganda ni Mika.
Okay. Sige.
Yeah, syempre, thank you sa warm welcome kasi lalo na nung teaser pa lang yung
She
nirelease
can't
namin, ang dami
explain.
na agad positive comments about the song. Tapos, nung nirelease yung unang kilig, hindi lang unang kilig yung nirelease namin nung day na yon, nag-release pa kami ng isa, Honey Honey, and both talaga ang ganda ng traction. So, thank you, Blooms, kasi ang sarap tignan ng feed namin na puro, ang galing, ang ganda ng song.
Of
Salamat,
course.
Blooms.
Parang ano daw? Ano mo parang cousin daw ng lagi? Yung
Yes,
hindi parang
opo,
gano'n yung
true.
dating sa kanila. Parang kapamilya sila. Maloy, how are the girls preparing for Coachella? It's, we're a month away from now.
Yes, it is a fact. We're a month away from the Coachella.
Oh, may English!
Sobrang
Ang cute.
pinag-iigihan po talaga namin every time na nagkakaroon kami ng rehearsals because we know na hindi, it's a luxury, kailangan namin ng luxury of time talaga to perfect all of it talaga para mahasa namin yung kasi parang nire-rebuild ulit namin yung stamina namin, yung endurance.
Sorry,
the-
nadidistract ako
the
kay Mika
agility
Lim.
and everything. So
I love you,
hope
Maloy.
na maging maganda yung outcome kasi pinaghihirapan talaga namin siya.
Is it going to be an intense preparation talaga? Mentally, physically? Jo?
Yes po. Actually, nagkaroon muna kami ng huddle before kami mag-start talaga ng official rehearsal day. Para lang ready kami mentally kasi hindi talaga siya magiging madali. Overwhelming. Lalo na napakadami po naming songs for, for Coachella. And kailangan talaga namin iset yung utak namin na ready kami dapat.
Dami nilang song sa
Pero
Coachella.
ang dating sa akin, parang you
Nako.
guys are going back to your roots. So after
Right.
Dolphy Theater, I think you're gonna have a big event on March 21. Tama
Woo!
ba?
Let's go, Market. See you there!
That's right.
Market.
Yeah, that's right, Sir MJ. Siyempre, kailangan naming bumalik sa amin. Kung saan kami nanggaling, kailangan naming
Right,
pasalamatan
Saku.
yung mga naniwala sa amin sa umpisa bago kami lumipad sa US. Kaya
Wow.
gusto lang namin
I love that,
ipaalala sa
Saku.
kanila that we are here. We will make you proud.
Alright.
Hindi nila
Sana.
nalimutan.
Girls,
We're always proud of you, girls.
Thank you po!
Thank you po. So, I love that na binabalikan nila kung saan sila nagsimula, kung saan sila nanggaling. Just to say thank you, di ba? Grabe naman talaga ang Bini. Kaya naman lahat ng achievements nila ngayon, they deserve it. And I think bakit hindi mapagsalita si Mika Lim kasi parang may surgery siya. Surgery siya sa kanyang teeth and I don't know if that's the time kaya she cannot explain. So, yun lang, sobrang excited ang lahat for the Coachella. And hope you enjoyed this video. See you on my next reaction video. Bye, Blooms.
I ain't skipping meals, yeah, I came and